Mumukshutva, intense longing for liberation from this personhood. I am done with this person. I am done with this person's world. Done with the waking world, done with the dream world, done with the deep sleep world. Mumukshutva. There's an intense longing to be liberated from this. No more having to go through the cycles of this. That is Mumukshutva. The last line in this shloka. Become liberated and rest in peace in their true nature. Liberation and resting in peace happens only in your true nature. It can never happen in the illusion. When this becomes very clear, you have got nothing to do with the illusion of waking, dreaming, and deep sleep. You're done with it. You're done with the person. Is this clear? You ask yourself, am I done with the person and the person's waking world, dream world, and deep sleep world yet? Or not yet? If not, then Mumukshutva has not developed. You'll see a little glimpse here and there, little degrees here and there. They come and then they get wiped out by the Ritti. Again, another one comes up, gets wiped out by the Ritti. No. Mumukshutva has to be strong. Strong. As strong as your desire for your dark chocolate ice cream was. That's strong. Continuously there. This is it. Then you can say, I have completed my journey from Shama all the way to Samadhan. Shama to Samadhan are 6. They're the 6 steps in the middle. They are like the 6 treasures. It's a treasure that you will collect on the way. I completed my treasure hunt of the 6 treasures, you can say. Then only Mumukshutva happens.